If portable cleaners keep leaving mess, odor, or clutter behind, choose Bissell's 1400B for occasional spots or the 2891 for frequent cleanup. Choose by mess frequency, reach, upkeep, weight, and storage. For most homes, buy the Bissell Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner 1400B. It's the sensible value choice for periodic spills across carpet, upholstery, stairs, and car seats. You get strong stain pickup in a relatively light, uncomplicated machine. Its rounded tanks lack handles, though, so filling and emptying them can feel clumsy. The stiff hose and small brush also make broad stains more laborious. Skip it for frequent large messes, regular tight space cleaning, or dry discoloration you expect to disappear completely. Choose Bissell's 2891 Pet Pro Spot Cleaner for regular kid, pet, upholstery, and vehicle spills. Big carry handle tanks, a flexible hose, and 3 attachments make repeat jobs less hands-on. That's useful when messes don't wait and you'll clean several surfaces. Still, it costs more and weighs more than the 1400B. It can lag on stubborn carpet marks and lacks a hose rinse tool. Skip it for occasional spots, easier carrying, or the best cleaning value. Here's the split. Occasional spots and better value, the 1400B. Frequent messes, easier tank handling, and more reach, the 2891. Before buying, check your storage space, carrying route, sink access, usual stain size, and how often you'll actually clean. Start with the 1400B if you want capable spot cleaning without overspending. Move to the 2891 when recurring messes justify larger tanks, better reach, and more tools. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.